Are you a content creator, YouTuber or a professional video editor and want to take your video editing to next level? If yes, then you should know about all these new AI features in Filmora 13 Video Editor. Watch this step-by-step video editing tutorial to know how to use Filmora 13 AI features to edit videos like a pro and stand out among others. Hey folks, Masakis from Originals back with another video editing tutorial, and today I wanna show you all 5 best AI features of Filmora's premier AI video generator that uses power of cutting-edge AI technology to transform our ideas into breathtaking visual masterpieces like these. First, Filmora comes with simplified process of video editing, so even if you are a novice user, you can create stunning videos with ease. So without wasting much time, let's dive in and know about all these new AI features of Filmora 13. And for first, let's talk about the AI feature that I like most, and that is AI Music Generator. Yes, we can now use AI to create our own royalty-free music using Filmora 13 AI Music Generator. Simply choose your style and see the magic of Filmora AI Music Generator. Let's see how it works. Once we have installed Filmora 13, open it. Now from here we can access many AI tools like AI text to video, AI text-based editing, silence detection, and if we click this AI toolbox, here we have many more AI tools that we can use to take our video editing to next level. To access AI Music Generator, simply click Create Project and then New Project. Here we can also import some media if we want to use any. This does not have any music. Let's generate our own music using Filmora AI Music Generator, and for that click on Audio and then click AI Music. Now from here we can select mode for the music, that can be happy, sad, funny, dreamy, romantic, smooth or anything else depending on your requirement. Selecting romantic as this will be perfect for our video. After that we can select theme like vlog, travel, romance, cinematic and so on. Here selecting it to be cinematic, and then we can also select genre for the audio. Here also we get many options. I have selected it to be beats. Next click settings to select more options, like we can choose tempo, selected it to be normal. Thereafter we can select duration. For our clip it will be okay to be 20 seconds. You can change the duration as per your requirement. Next we can choose generated music count to be 1, 2 or more. This will create multiple choices for us, so select it too. Now to generate royalty free music, click generate. Within seconds Filmora AI Music Generator generates AI music with desired 2 options. We can play and see if we like it or not. This is so nice. Let's play next. Wow, this is amazing. Now we can simply drag and drop it to timeline and we can use it in our video. This way we can create highly compatible background music with ease in seconds, so no need to look for royalty free music ever again or to be worried about content ID claim or copyright. We can create our own music using Filmora AI Music Generator and use them anywhere. Wow, that's simply insane. Now let's talk about second feature on list today, and that is AI Vocal Remover. This has to be one of the most demanded AI feature to be added to Filmora 13's AI feature list, as it helps to remove vocals and music from any song in seconds. So let's get started to know how to use Filmora AI Vocal Remover. And for that simply import any music, video or audio file. Now from here we can simply right click on the file and then select AI Vocal Remover. Boom, Filmora will start to remove vocals from the file. Within seconds we have our files ready for background music and voice.
तेरे तो लगदी लतीनो एक बारी दस दो जी इन्नी क्यों शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी.
Now we can make our own cover songs using the music from song. Amazing work. The quality of background music separated is just superb. Now let's move to next feature, and that is AI translation. Using this we can translate video or create captions for our videos in different languages in matter of seconds. So now let's know how to use Filmora AI translation to translate video to any language. And for that, here I have imported one of my video. Now I will try to translate it to different languages, and for that simply right click and select AI translation. Next, here we get a pop-up. From here we can choose translation type. It can be translate voice and text or only translate text. Let's select translate voice and text. Next, we need to choose source language. Selected it to be English US. Now let's translate it to Hindi India. Now to translate video, simply click translate. It starts translating video, and I am really excited to see the results. Once done, here we have confirmation completed. Let's close this and now see, here we have subtitles as well as audio ready in translated language. Let's play it.
इसलिए बहुत समय बर्बाद किए बिना आइए शुरू करें और सबसे पहले जानें कि एक YouTube चैनल कैसे बनाया जाए.
I just love it. I have successfully translated my video to Hindi in my own voice. Wow, this is simply insane. Now let's talk about next feature, and that is AI image. Yes, now we can generate AI images using Filmora. So now let's know how to use Filmora AI Image Generator. And for that, simply click on stock media. Now click AI image. Here we can write our own prompt or can also get some ideas from here. Simply choose one style and then click this. It generates a prompt for us. We can change it or write our own. In settings, we can also change aspect ratio for the image. Now to generate AI image, let's use this prompt and then click generate. Within few seconds, Filmora AI Generator will generate 4 styles of images for us. Wow, such fantastic images we have got. See, all of them are simply amazing. Now we can use them anywhere we want to. We can use them in our videos as well. Such amazing work by Filmora AI Image Generator. Now let's talk about next feature for the day, and that is AI copywriting. This is perfect for YouTubers. Now with the integration of ChatGPT in Filmora 13, we can generate YouTube video titles and descriptions. Not only this, we can also get inspiration from AI generated scripts. So now let's talk about how to use Filmora AI copywriting to generate YouTube video ideas. We can access AI copywriting from Filmora AI Toolbox from the startup. Simply click AI copywriting from Filmora AI Toolbox. Now this opens up a dialog box. From here we can choose what we are going to write. YouTube video ideas, video oral script, YouTube video titles, YouTube video descriptions, or knowledge introduction articles. Choosing YouTube video ideas. Next we need to enter video topic, writing YouTube video editing tutorial. Thereafter we can choose output language. Filmora AI copywriting supports many languages, so you can choose one as per your requirement. Selecting it to be English, we can turn on advanced option and get more than one results. That can be up to 10. As we are writing a video script, let's choose it to be 1. Now click generate. Within seconds, it starts writing a YouTube video idea on YouTube video editing tutorial, and boom, here we have the result. Here we get a comprehensive video script. Well, not only this, we also get a perfect video title that can be used for the video. So folks, these are the 5 best AI features in Filmora 13 that you must try. Well, not only this, there are many more AI features in Filmora 13 that you can try. Find the links in description and pin comment to know about them. These can help to take our content creation to next level. And all these AI features make Filmora 13 the best AI video editing software for PC. Well, that's not it. Filmora also offers instant mode for quick and easy editing along with preset templates and Filmora loads to jumpstart your creativity. You can watch these video editing tutorials from my channel to know more about Filmora 13 video editor. Now, I will highly recommend you all to try it out. Wanna try it? Then simply find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Development Business, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Today I wanna show you all how to use color grading to bring cinematic touch to your videos using all new AI powered loads.